Changing the shipping options in TikTok shops is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you have already placed an order and need to change the shipping option, the first step is to reach out to the seller. Look for contact information such as an email address or customer support link provided by the seller on their TikTok. Contact the seller and explain that you need to change the shipping option for your order. Provide them with your order details, including the order number to help them locate your order in their system. Clearly state the reason for requesting a change in the shipping option and provide any necessary details about the new shipping preference you would like to use. Be polite and concise in your communication with the seller. The seller will guide you on the next steps to take an order to change the shipping option for your order. This may involve canceling the existing order and placing a new one with the desired shipping option, or they may be able to update the shipping option for your existing order. Review the shipping and return policies provided by the seller on their TikTok shop page. This will help you understand the options available to you and any potential fees or restrictions associated with changing the shipping option. If you encounter difficulties or if the seller is unresponsive, you can reach out to TikTok support for assistance. They may be able to facilitate communication between you and the seller or provide guidance on resolving the issue.